Very nice. Conrad Saxo Melody with Cyndi Lauper's True Colors. Now it's time to show our true colors, I think. I don't know. Everybody, they say, knows the game. Would you rather? It's pretty self-explanatory, but our producer found a twist on BuzzFeed. So this is Would You Rather, the Love Edition. I feel like we need to have a... All right. So, Shauna.
Banana.
Is going to ask us...
She's going to give us two scenarios. Is that it? Josie, would you rather? We can't read it.
But you're young.
Find your true love when you're young, but they die 30 years before you, and you never love again. Or not find true love until you're 40, but then stay together for the rest of your life.
Second scenario for me, for sure. I mean, it's pretty lonely up until 40, but it's hard to find somebody you love and then lose them in the middle of your journey together. Yeah. So I would say option B is my choice.
Until you're 40. But then suppose you find it, and it says what? Put it back, and you stay together for the rest of your... But suppose the rest of your life are when you're 45.
But at least you'd then be together still. But if you find your true love at 20, or some of the stories you hear with people who fall in love and they're together from them 18, 19, and then go there, we couldn't manage it.
Okay.
For truly. What is your choice, miss?
I'm not sure what to say.
You have to choose one. That's why it's would you rather.
I'm processing it. It seems
simple. Put it back up again, Sean's boo.
Because I'm saying, yeah. And you never love before you, and you never. But why would I never love again? And that's I have a problem with it. Because if I'm a true love and them dead when I'm young, why would I never love again?
That's the scenario.
True love, only I'm one time.
You're going into another girl talk.
Yeah. Some of them wouldn't love again.
That's the scenario. You have to choose one of those two.
If me 40 and then me just find love when me 40. And then...
Up until 40 is going to be a rough road, for sure.
Yeah, some of them know if by the time you reach 40 now, you could have still the true love, but you never know say you're a true love because you're so tainted by everything when you do already.
The scenario says
the true love, they're right. That's why you say, no, you can't bother.
Delia can't play this game.
I'm walking it through.
She can't. Yeah, you can't play this game.
Oh, there's another one. That's enough to tell me, man.
Would you rather
find out that your partner cheated on you while drunk once, but it doesn't mean anything, and they never do it again? No, if they cheat, it means something. Or never learn the truth about it. You see the question, them seem cut and drop, while drunk, it doesn't mean anything. It means something. Whether you're drunk or you're sober.
Yeah, and if they promise never to do it again, does that mean I have to stay? I mean, I have some questions for you.
Or you never know about it. It depends. Because suppose I'm going to cheat with me with somebody where have a medical implication.
Option one is my choice. But after I know, that will be a problem.
I don't know why them say drunk and it not mean anything. Whether you're drunk or sober, it means something.
I think that's a story that men use. Marv, is that true?
That it don't mean anything? It means something. Maybe it don't mean anything.
I've meant nothing. I wasn't in my right,
Frame
I was inebriated. I couldn't think straight. You couldn't think straight, but you could, no.
Oh, no.
Okay. All right.
Next one.
Would you rather marry a funny person who was always poor?
Or marry a boring person who was very rich? You mean marry a very rich person, me not bored? The person is boring. No, but that's with them problem. Me not it's more.
No,
yeah, it's boring. Me not boring. Oh, me for boring. I'm a rich.
No.
And me can buy one big screen.
True bad.
TV and lie down in my jacuzzi and watch Smile Jamaica and say, watch someone. Go marry a funny person.
And she can't go to
and she still go work. I'm in my jacuzzi and watch her.
I know, I don't have a problem working actually. And if the two of us can work it out, then I don't want to marry a boring person.
No, look, man, I don't know about the funny person part. Because some people, it ain't no joke. Bills ain't no joke, man.
Yeah, but
Nobody,
what does,
the NHT need to get their mortgage.
What
You
does
can't walk
poverty
go down
mean,
at
though?
NHT and say, here's a funny thing.
what poverty
No.
mean? Poverty mean like if we need bread, I have to buy it, or does poverty mean like he's not like balling? Because there are degrees of
Poor?
not richness.
True.
So I think
Well, by the
I
poverty
think
index, most of we poor, you know.
wealth come with a whole heap of
She must have
issues.
been well poor, can me poor.
Wealth is issues.
Would you rather know what it's like to be in love but always unrequited, or never know true love?
Jesus Christ.
Love
No, Shana. No, man.
is a wonderful thing.
Unrequited love is very painful.
But I think just not wanting to love it shuts you down, you know?
This game is very intense.
No, it shuts you down. It's like you just lock up to yourself and you're not going away because look, enjoy it for what it is. If it becomes unrequited, say, oh well, moving on.
But unrequited love
It's a
is
sea
good.
fish are out there. The problem with unrequited love is when you see that love as the only love ever.
The thing say always unrequited. If it's never returned, then you
But then
must
go and look. Go and look. Me know people find love when they are 80 years
But it
old.
means you never, unrequited means you never ever find it for
Then
your
you just go
entire
and look
life.
till you're 80. Dating is
I
fun.
prefer to don't know what it feels. I will go on date and...
No, sir, me want to know.
No, I don't want to know if I can't have it.
Look here, you
That's
get
like,
to go out.
That's like you take
You
me to
get to go
KFC and you give
out.
me a bucket of chicken and you tell me, I can only eat one wing. What?
But at least you get to eat piece
Or
of
I
chicken.
can't get a Pepsi with it. Forget that.
If everybody tell you say you can't only eat a wing, you can't eat a wing, you know how much wing that you're going to eat, your belly going to full. But if you say, I don't want to eat nothing, you're going to dead for hungry.
No.
Yeah, man, you're going to starve
I don't want
yourself.
to taste it if I can't have it. I don't want to taste of it if I can't have what it is that, tastes so good, but you can't.
You
No,
don't want
gracias.
taste.
Till you get colic.
No.
Yeah.
I bet
can
that
have love
you're dead
colic,
for hungry.
You can have
Love is a
colic.
many splendid thing.
Including colic.
It lives yours. Have one long relationship where they love you, but you don't really love them. Or have relationships with many different people, some of whom you love, but they never last longer than 2 years. I don't think I'm going to a relationship with somebody where I not love.
No, for sure. See? Unrequited. On the way now.
No, you say relationship is different, Relationship is different. Relationship is an understanding and a commitment. So, I'm not gonna commit. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna commit to you. I know that I don't love you. That's not fair.
But you just said you would marry a boring man. But you'd be committed to him.
I love him.
And rich.
A boring man. I love him and I love. That's so terrible.
What did Harold say?
It's the money me love. I can't believe that came out of Harold's mouth. No, Harold. No, you can't love a boring man. The problem when I have no love too much exciting man. That's a problem. That's another on social media every day I complain. Him not reach home yet, kind of road. I didn't know what time to come in.
But you've always said David, that you want
our...
somebody who you can go out with and have fun with.
Me?
Yes.
Not him out by himself have excitement.
But suppose he doesn't want to do
enjoyment.
any of that. Suppose he's as exciting as a piece of paper. What do you do?
No man, even if we stay at home and listen to some music and read one book, me alright.
No, boredom don't mean that. Okay, I'm gonna.
Oh, you reach a car, Aubrey. But so we can stay home and read a book. How do you get to a car? You're a mess. Would you rather none of your friends really liked your partner, or none of your partner's friends really liked you?
Oh gosh, this is a maca anyway.
I'm gonna be very honest.
Yes, let's hear it.
I don't care either way. If my partner friend them not like me, that's alright. Me and them not have a relationship. And if my friend them not like my partner, that's alright. Them not date him. In fact, me okay with that.
Yeah. However, if you're...
No, you see, some woman, you know. Oh,
But there's...
my friend, you know, some of my friend, them, my boyfriend, them close, you see. Him and them gone a movie.
No, that's a...
Or him and them gone for dinner.
Red
or
flag.
him and them,
That's a red flag.
Make them not like him. Make them and him not agree.
But you don't want to be in a relationship where all of your friends don't like your partner. If all of them don't like him, isn't that a sign that something is...
wrong with him? No, sir.
All of your friends? Not one of your friends them like him?
Depends
not
on why
one?
them not like him. Suppose them say mean. If he mean to them, but him not mean to me have a problem.
All right. I just think friends have a radar
Depends on why they don't
sometimes.
like him.
You're talking about ulterior motives.
All right, try wrap way up. I don't know why I wrap way up.
London, wrapping it up too.
Oh, London too? Okay. Come on, all right, not true. We talk about me, him not like we talk about
This
them
game
things.
have way too much.
Would you rather never have a best friend but have a long and happy marriage, or never get married but have the closest and strongest friendships ever? I think my husband would be my best friend.
Well, not necessarily, but that's not necessarily true.
Yep. My husband would be. It's
You
a
have to have a
long and
friendship.
happy marriage.
Yeah.
I don't think it could be long and happy with
friendship,
me and
but
him now.
you and your husband should have a friendship, but you
Yeah.
don't need to be a best friend. First one for me.
First one is a long marriage.
No best friend and long marriage.
Marriage, yeah.
Because you can have several close friends or a few close
Then when
friends.
them are my close friend
Not
and
your
strong
best
friend,
friends.
and then them and their husband go about them business and me want to sit down and look up in a mango tree. How that work?
You look in mango tree regular?
Every Valentine's, me one sit down home so. And I say, where are your friends? Gone with their husband. Yeah.
Mango tree. So you look in mango tree? The
Before
one
me
in
married,
there?
I go mango tree.
Me will live so.